Brittany with WTI, and whether you're camping or hiking, if you got to do anything in the dark, you really need a good, reliable source of light. And these LHKNL Headlamp flashlights really lit the way for the amazing adventure we had. It comes with a set of 2, which was perfect because both me and my husband embarked on this huge 20-mile hike. We were able to get up early in the morning. They are super comfortable, adjustable, so that made it a lot easier to fit both of our head sizes. Also is stretchy. It goes directly on your head and it can go over your hat. I love the design and colors. It just makes it simple but fun. It has so many different settings of lights that you can change with the upper right button, so that you can make it easy to see. You can also change the direction of the light because it tilts. The different light selections are a strong beam, a dim beam, a bright wide light, and a dim wide light. You also have a red option that goes solid and SOS mode. The red option is great for if you're wanting to look for something but you don't want to attract too many bugs. The upper left button has a motion sensor, so you can turn on whatever setting of the light just with a move of your hand. On the side, it has a charge indicator to show you how much of a charge it has left. You just open this slot right here on the left, and then you can just put the cord in, and again, it's going to tell you how close you are to a full charge. It is super convenient and really made our adventure possible. I absolutely loved these. They were everything that we needed to be able to get up early and enjoy our wonderful adventure. And that's my point of view.